Okay, so this is the Watch 2R. It just came in. I'm still using the Watch 4 Plus, and I'm going to be making the review very soon. Very interesting results so far. If you want to see the review for the watch, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, in this video I want to unbox this one so that you can see everything that comes out of the box. But I'm sure that we already know what to expect: manuals, the charging cable, and the watch. Anyways, let's begin. Alright, so this box seems a bit different compared to the other ones that I've unboxed recently, and it's because of the opening here. So I think you have to flip this open before you can open it. Alright, so I'm going to turn it upside down so that I don't open it the wrong way, and I think I'll just slide this one out. Normally I don't watch videos of products that I'm about to review because I don't want other people to influence how I do things. So I haven't seen anybody unbox this one yet, even though I know that there are tons of videos on YouTube of the unboxing of this watch. But yeah, this seems like a different way to unbox a watch. And this is the watch in here. It looks very nice. This is the first round watch I have ever gotten from Oriamo. So for now, I'm just going to keep it, and let's see what's inside the box. So, not a lot. The way they packaged this one is a bit different from what I'm used to. So you have to open this part, and that's where you find the cable, the charging cable, and the manual. So yeah, the manual, I've gone through the manual of the Watch 4 Plus, and it looks the same basic things that I've been learning in all my unboxings or in all the watches that I've been using. So I'm going to keep this one for now. And this is the cable. So this is a different looking cable compared to the rest. The difference comes from this part of the cable. I believe this is still your normal magnet. This one looks a lot bigger than the other ones. Let me just get the other ones. So this is the one for the Watch 2R, like this one that I just unboxed. So this is the cable for the Watch 2R, the one that I just unboxed. And this is one of the charging cables for the rest that I've used. I've used the Watch 2 Pro, 3 Pro, ES2, and 4 Plus, and all of them have this type of charging cable. So as you can see, this one is bigger than this one. So I hope we'll be getting good things from the Watch 2R. Alright, so I'm just going to keep this one for now, and let me reveal the screen or the glass. Okay, this looks like a really decent glass. It doesn't look like the rest of the glasses that I've seen, because the rest of the glasses look like magnifying glasses, but this one just looks very flat. Well, and the button over here looks like it can control the watch because of the way it is designed. It feels like it was meant for controlling the watch, but I'm not sure yet. Like I said, I haven't seen any kind of review about the watch, so whatever I'm saying is from my own point of view. Alright, so here is the speakers, and here is the microphone. I like that this one is also made out of glass like the Watch 4 Plus, and this is the charging point. So okay, so this is the charging point, and it looks like a very decent watch, the first round one I've gotten, and I can't wait to use it and let you guys know all the features that come with the watch. Hopefully you guys will be subscribed to see that. But yeah, ask me any questions you may have about the watch so that when I'm making the final review, I'll answer your questions in those videos. But until then, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.